People die at landfills. They are very important in our country, and they're not getting any support. You know, you should go to these landfills and see what happens there. A truck comes and it's tipping, right? So you've got this, they call them RCRs, so the refuse collection round trucks, right? So the ones that come to your household, you put your bins outside, and then you know, they collect the stuff, and then you are not worried because the bins are now empty again. You can fill in. So they take that stuff to the landfills, and they get there. When the truck is tipping, you've got people fighting to get access to that while it's still
To the
tipping.
rubble.
Yes, because that's where the good stuff is. And now, all of these things are happening at once. People, the colors, you don't see. The guy is tipping. The guy's not, he's tipping. You know what I mean?
And we're out there.
People die at landfill.
Goodness me.
No jokes. People get squashed by compactors and trucks, the yellow plant equipment. It's a reality, right? And those people are recycling waste that all of these big corporates, you know, at the end of the year, they tick the boxes with government and say we are compliant, we're doing enough recycling support, but people are picking up waste with their bare hands. No PPE, no shoes, no training on what type of waste to handle. And then you've got all of these things happening, and then they are still responsible for doing most of our recycling efforts that we're very proud of as a country. I think there's something wrong there.